I invite you to get to know Madagascar, not only the beautiful things that these beautiful people make, but also the challenges that this part of the world has to deal with, and the faith that grows in people. I think that there's just so much potential here for growth and development and investment in the betterment of humankind, and it's just exciting, but the workers are few, right? So yeah, come and see this great country. Go to the beaches and the tsingies and the forests and the deserts and the coastlines, do some surfing and meet the beautiful people, and yeah, invest yourself in helping people to move forward. I think to me, that's where my fulfillment has been growing, is just in helping the people with the things that I have to offer, just simply the things that I take for granted in Canada, the knowledge and the resources and the money, even just to invest in people and help them to build strong communities. Madagascar is a beautiful place with beautiful people. It's also been said that Madagascar will continue to be a country of great potential.